In this custom keto diet for beginners review, you will learn what it is and how it works. The custom keto diet is an 8-week diet plan created to help both men and women turn their lives around and take charge of their health and figure. The diet plan allows you to create your very own keto diet based on your food preferences, daily activity levels, height, weight, and target weight goals. The plan uses science-based methods to work out the ideal calorie and macro intake for your situation and goals, with easy-to-prepare meals based on your food choices. The diet plan comes with easy-to-follow cooking video instructions, easy-to-follow printouts, and downloadable shopping lists. The built-in macro calculator allows you to re-enter your current weight, target weight, activity level, and daily calories, allowing you to recalculate your macros to help you achieve your weight loss goals as you follow along with the diet. Also available inside the diet plan dashboard is the Keto Diet 101 ebook and video series, which is an A to Z of everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet. And finally, an assortment of recipes from savory dishes, desserts, and little treats. The custom keto diet has been carefully created to help people struggling with their weight to achieve their weight loss goals. So if you want to jumpstart your success on keto and reach your weight loss goals in a fast and enjoyable way, click the link below and get your very own custom keto diet for beginners plan and get started today.